Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the Crypto Hunter. I'm glad you make it down to this final edition when I'll be talking about the TV2 ICO review. So I'll round up everything here, talk about the team, talk about the roadmap, and we are done. So as you can see here, I will advise you to put in your email so you could get subscribed to it, so you could get updates and receive information about the crowd sale and so on and so forth. So basically, this is the advisory trend for the TV2. As you can see here, David Benke, Marco Snyder, a lot of them like that. CFO at 20th Century Fox of Germany. This was the man that was talking about in the previous YouTube video I showed you on the first edition. This is the CFO of 20th Century Fox of Germany. So basically, I quickly want to go down to the core team of TV2. Check the co-founder profile on LinkedIn. Although I advise you all to check out each and every one of them profile on LinkedIn. This is the link to each and every one of them profile on LinkedIn, so you could see their history so far, what they've acquired, the present job, stuff like that and like that. So let me really take you guys to the core team. As you can see here, this is Jan-Philipp Ostfried and Philip Scott. This is the co-founder of TV2, industrial engineer, distributed systems, state channel systems, semantic web experience is chief product officer at the moment. Then Philip Scott, co-founder of TV2, entrepreneur, communication, sales, partnership experience, leads business development at the moment. So basically, these are the co-founders behind the TV2 token, and these are other ones in the TV2 core team: the chief financial officer, CFO, chief marketing officer, and so on. However, I've opened the link to Jan-Philipp on LinkedIn in another tab, so I advise you guys to also open for everyone. So this is his profile on LinkedIn. As you can see, founder of TV2. He has over 500 plus connections. This is his activity so far, and his connection is about 1,625 followers. The experience, co-founder of TV2, started October 2017 to present now, that's 9 months ago. Introducing the television ecosystem on the Ethereum blockchain. TV2 is the new gateway to broadcast television that guarantees direct interaction between consumers, advertisers, and content providers for a fair and transparent television environment. So this also on his profile is trying to give us a brief explanation about TV2, since he's the co-founder. Then he said you can learn more about the future of TV with this link, tv2.com. That's the website which I'll be using since, and some other stuff. I'm going to give you guys the link in the description of the video. Then also the chief product officer for Mainon, that was May 2015 to October 2017, before he later found out about TV2 on 2017 October. Then as you can see also business development, Project A Ventures, May 2015 to July 2015. That was about 3 months in Berlin area, Germany. So you can see he has achieved so many things. This is the educational background: Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering and Management. Then also Master of Science Management. He studied abroad Business Administration at the University of Queensland. So these are what he has achieved so far. Great stuff. So I don't want to start checking everyone's profile on LinkedIn, since that's going to take our time. But I'll advise you guys, once you're on their website, try to check out their profile on LinkedIn so you get familiar with the team of TV2. Then this is the conference appearances so far they've done: Crypto Investor Show and Crypto while watching it. I must say, these are young. This is also the roadshow, the North American Bitcoin conference in Miami. This is the co-founder and also the other co-founder. You can see both of them here. So far so good. They've been all over. World Economic Forum in Davos, then Blockchain Night in Berlin, International Film Festival in Berlin also. So I must say these guys are really extremely great personnel. They are young, but then they've achieved great stuff together. So these are the press coverage so far: online focused entrepreneur, Bitcoinist, online marketing rockstars, Wall Street Online, investing.com, Inside Bitcoins, Crypto Ninjas, Crypto Coin News, The Daily Telescope, CoinWatch, Irish Tech News, and so on. So let's talk about the development roadmap, so you could see what roadmap they are trying to follow. The company foundation, resource planning, development of the smart TV application, development of smart contract for operation of the application, development of the campaign platform for application of white paper, start of the marketing and bounty campaign, community building, adjustment based on community feedback. Then 2018 quarter one, as you can see here, January 2018, token for television privacy, early adopter program, formation of TV task force, announcement of trade.io as partner, meetup and conferencing in Asia and US, partner expansion with advertisers and content providers. Then in quarter 2 2018, April 2018, meetups and conference in Europe, many of the ICO pitch battle at C3 Crypto Conference in Berlin, announcement of strategic partners, token for television public sale, application release for Samsung and LG, onboarding of advertisers and content providers. Then by quarter 3 2018, introduction of TTV to the TV2 platform, evaluating set-top box manufacturers for partnership, release of application for Toshiba TV, TP Vision and Panasonic, version 2.0, refinement of users interface and experience, moving off-chain aspect on-chain, evaluating of TV2 advert, Open TV or set-top box. Then quarter 4 2018, release of application for Sony, iSense and Sharp, negotiation with manufacturers for a pre-installation of the app. Then also, the last one, TV network offers content through this centralized ecosystem. So as you can see here, they are trying to meet up with various technology companies, Sony, Sharp, Samsung, LG, and so on and so forth. So they are trying to meet up with them one after the other. It's not something you can just do all at a go. So with time, they will meet up and partner with all these technology companies, and with that, TV2 is on a very good moving trend. So basically, all said so good, fine, from the first edition to this final edition, which I'll be telling you guys goodbye, and make sure you do your personal research before investing in any cryptocurrency project. Until then, I'll catch you guys later. Have a nice day.